Hello Southlake, this is Mayor Shawn McCaskill, and this week for the Southlake City Spotlight, we're at the Kirkwood branch on North Whitechapel as we give you a big update and some great news about the bridge replacement project that we've been working on for the last year or so. And joining me today from our Public Works Department is Jeff Ginn, who's going to share the good news about what's been happening and even better news on what's to come. So Jeff, welcome to Southlake City Spotlight, and why don't you tell us a little bit about what you've been doing?
Of course, Mayor. Thanks for having me. We're excited to share an update on the project status. In the past few months, our contractor has completed the bridge shafts, columns, abutments, walls, and paving on the south end of the project. Now we're ready for the next big milestone.
That is great news and great progress. Why don't you tell our audience what's coming next?
Absolutely, Mayor. Very soon, we'll be receiving 10 massive support beams for the new 200-foot bridge. Each beam is 100 feet long, about the length of a basketball court, and weighs 41 tons. Due to their size and weight, these deliveries will take place during the daylight hours, with Southlake DPS overseeing the process to ensure safety and minimize disruptions. The North Whitechapel Bridge has faced significant challenges over the years. In May 2015, heavy rainfall and overflow from Lake Grapevine caused severe flooding, closing the roadway for approximately 7 weeks. The bridge was overtopped again in 2018, sustaining significant damage during another heavy rain event. After the 2018 damage, we made the decision to repair the bridge temporarily to reopen the road quickly, but knew that we would eventually need to do a full replacement to protect from future damage and to keep drivers safe. This new project will raise the elevation of the roadway and the bridge, making it more resilient to flooding. Once completed, the bridge will not only be stronger and higher, but will also feature a sidewalk on the west side. The project also includes crucial improvements for drainage and relocation of a water line, enhancing the overall infrastructure.
All right, thank you, Jeff, for that update. You guys have obviously been very busy. This is obviously a very big project. It's $6.9 million, most of which was funded by our partners at Denton County. So thank you, Denton County, for partnering with the city of Southlake on this. Lots of work has been done, a little bit more to go. But what can you tell us about sort of the end game here as far as the rest of this year and into next year?
Sure. So weather permitting, we'll be totally done with construction by early 2025. Our hope is to complete it earlier than that if we can. We appreciate the community's patience while we finish this very essential project.
I would like to thank also the residents for their patience and their understanding during this big project. I know a lot of people who use Bob Jones Park and who live in the neighborhoods north of this area have been inconvenienced. We're working as fast as we can to get this done so that we never have to do it again and don't have to have any more inconveniences. So thank you for your patience, and we'll keep you updated as we finish off this project in the next couple months. Thank you, Jeff.
Thank you, Mayor.
That's it for this week's Southlake City Spotlight.